Hey there, entrepreneurs, ready to take your brand to the next level? Today, I'm going to share some golden nuggets from an incredible resource I stumbled upon, an ebook called Building a Powerful Brand. First things first, this ebook is packed with actionable strategies and tools. Whether you're a small business owner or running a large enterprise, these insights will help you carve out a resonant brand identity. Think of it as your brand's secret weapon. Now let's dive into what makes this ebook a game changer. It's all about building trust and attracting loyal customers. In a world where competition is fierce, standing out is crucial. This ebook uses real-world examples and modern branding trends to show you exactly how to do it. Imagine having templates and resources at your fingertips, tailored to help you create a powerful brand. The ebook addresses everything from digital branding to personal branding and customer connection. It's like having a branding guru in your pocket. What's even better, it's a digital download, meaning you can get started instantly. No waiting around, no delays, just download, dive in, and start transforming your brand today. And the best part, as of recently, it's on sale for only $7.49, down from $9.99. That's a steal for the amount of value packed into this ebook. But hurry, the sale ends soon. So if you're serious about building a brand that stands out and resonates with your audience, click the link in the description and grab your copy of Building a Powerful Brand now. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Stay inspired, stay driven, and unleash your brand's potential today. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips and insights. Oh, and you can purchase the ebook at Hokit's eBooks on Etsy.com.